Welcome to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library. This week we are taking a look at GammaAI. GammaAI allows you to create presentations, do stuff with websites, and has lots of different templates that you can use. We're going to show you what is available and how you can use it for free, and I'm pretty much just going to touch on creating a presentation, but I will show you the different parts here. So if you simply go to gamma.app, you're going to come to this site and you can simply log in if you have already created an account at some point, or you can go to start for free. If you go to start for free, I'm going to close up here real quick with the privacy settings. If I go to start for free, it's going to come up and I can simply use my Google account, or I can create an account with email. So I'm going to pull this across where I'm already logged in with my Google account. And when I log in with my Google account, this is what I see. I am simply here at the beginning page, and it comes up with just recently viewed information here. And I started with initially 500 credits. So I am down to 490 credits because I had already created a previous image. The previous image I created, I bring this across, you can see right here is this AI image that I created. So I will show you first of all how I went about this. I went down here on my sidebar here on the left hand side, and I simply went generate new image, and I just typed in. So I am going to simply type in here a dog on a surf. Let's do a dog on a surfboard in the ocean and see what we get. So I've got different styles I can use. Notice we've got what they call realistic, we've got the artistic, and so forth here. So I'm going to simply just pick one of these. Let's, just for the sake of looking slightly different, let's pick line art. When I pick line art, I want it to be either square, portrait, or landscape. I'm gonna select landscape. And then I can select a different model if I so choose. And I would just simply say generate. What you're going to see when I click on this generate, then notice I have lost 10 more, I shouldn't say lost, I've used 10 more of my credits. And I now have this image. I can simply go here and I can download that image if I so choose. I can say, remember, everything what we do with AI, it helps the AI tool to learn if we give it the suggestions of either, yep, that's a good image, that's what I put in as my description, or it's not. So I can say, nope, that's a poor, or this is a good suggestion. And then notice here along the side I have more images that I could pick and choose from. And again, I can just simply go here to download if I would want to use that image. So that is how I can create an AI image using GammaAI. The other thing along the side here is we do have different, you can create starting, this is where I'm saying I was creating an image there, here's creating, I can actually create a website. So if I simply go to create a site, then this is where I would go in and I would choose what kind of site that I might be after making. Say I create jewelry, I could create this and I could say generate and create, begin creating my website from here. I'm going to simply go back because I want to show also along the downside here I got templates. So I have all of these different templates that I can choose from. If I wanted to pick and say I'm into marketing, if I were to click on this, I can now all of a sudden use this template and create and make my marketing strategy here with all of the different slides that come up, as well as I have what is called my inspiration. And these are just things that they made using Gamma. These are also, you can have here where you have your startup stories. You can have what they refer to as a growth playbook. And then I have my themes. When I go to themes, this is themes. This is where you could import in if you come up with a theme. If I say new theme, I can build my own theme. And notice then there's also what is called the beta version as well. And the same thing here with custom fonts. I can actually upload fonts. Now notice here, this is listed as Pro. Also want to make sure that you make note here, I am down to 480 credits. So this is what I am using with my free account. So because I'm using a free account, I only have so many credits. If I want to, say, get unlimited, this is where I would have to go into and see what the pricing is in terms of how much I would be charged to continue to use after my credits are used up. So that is what you can find with GammaAI. It's just an interesting, creative way to create, be it images, be it website, or just simply being a presentation. I hope everyone has a fantastic week, and we will see you all next week.